And folks, we're already Tuesday here this week, going by quickly as they all seem to do, especially during the season between Thanksgiving and Christmas. We got a beautiful view out there. Got rid of the clouds finally. So a mostly clear view here for us from our Alexandria Tower Cam, courtesy of Sinlock Broadcasting. We'll check out some coming up headlines I'll be talking about. Are you ready for some warmer weather? We've had a little kind of protracted spell of cool weather here lately. So as December started, so we're going to turn the thermometer back up a little bit. Nothing ridiculous though, but a tricky forecast comes in for the weekend and early next week because there's a big mass of cold air that's going to affect portions of the United States, and it's low confidence right now as to how that will affect us. I explained it yesterday, so we'll take another look at it. So radar not showing anything here in central Louisiana. Things are too dry and stable for rainfall at this particular point, but a big, powerful storm system rolling through out of Canada across the northern plains, and it will track through the northern portion of the country. We'll see a little front come through on the back side of that. In fact, that's this front right here that will come through later on Wednesday after kind of a mild day, and it'll turn a little bit cooler, then it'll warm up again, then we'll see a chill down again. So that's kind of a thumbnail of your 7-day forecast. So futurecast in the short term, we continue to look at that morning commute on Wednesday with no issues there. It will be chilly though. I'm forecasting upper 30s to near 40 with little wind, and then coming back home, no issues there for Wednesday. Your PM commute looks good. And checking out things back on Thursday, we've got no problems there. Still seasonably cool, but warmer than some previous mornings. So that's it. Let's check out the futurecast. Once again, warm bubbles and cold bubbles of air. Their interaction determines whether I'm just going to kind of go through this quickly with you instead of day by day. And the thing to see is there'll be repeated surges of cold air coming out of Canada, but they're all not moving this way in this particular track, okay? So one track it could take would be like this, and that one would definitely be cold for us. The cold surges that we are seeing recently are going to go more into this type of track, all right? So what that means for us is, well, not not as much effect, okay? It'd be like telegraphing us cold air from a distance. Still a chill, but nothing crazy or punishing like these folks up here are going to be seeing before it's over with. So there you go. There's one big surge. The second one coming in behind it there as we head in toward the weekend. But again, notice that it's away from us, but and a kind of a third surge of building into early next week. Notice right there that the warm air is winning the forecast after the weekend, there and after toward the middle part of next week, and a little disturbance right there. Tuesday promises kind of this little discoloration there, promises maybe some rain as we head into the early part of next week. So the first front comes through Wednesday. We get 68 before that happens, 39 in the morning low, and then that will cut it down to about 38 for Thursday. Beautiful sunny day, and despite that sunshine, only 62 with this front making a little difference there. We warm up though for Friday and Saturday in advance of the next change. Only 10% rain chances. You know me, I do that to stay safe in the forecast there because I'm not comfortable with a 0%. So been a while since thermometers been in the 70s. I think we've got some coming Friday and Saturday in most places. Even morning temperatures warming up. And then Sunday, this big front comes into central Louisiana. And with that, it'd be Saturday night and very, very early wee hours Sunday when that happens. 40% chance of some showers with that. And I'll keep 30% going through the morning on Sunday. But the headline would be falling temperatures, okay? The 61 would be midnight Saturday for an average in Sinlock. This 43 is dinner time Sunday, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. across central Louisiana. And so we have that, and then we drop to 35 by Monday morning. We're still mostly clouds, but so far I'm shutting out the rain chances there for Sunday and Monday. Just clouds, okay? And with that struggling to reach 50 degrees for a high. And then Tuesday, as we see a little system try to come in from the west, bumping up the rain chances for Tuesday and into Tuesday night. But notice that we're not getting any colder for Tuesday morning. Okay, not going from mid 30s to freezing there Tuesday morning. We're going up toward about 40 degrees and then 50s for highs there. So that's the way I've got it planned right now. And again, I'll tell you that is a low confidence forecast, but it's kind of the way I've seen things happen through my 5 decades of doing this as to what some of the possibilities are, because I know you've seen other forecasts and they're not as cool as what I've got here. All right, so that's it from me. Nick Mick, this is going to have his say in the morning, and I'll be back in the PM writing and rewriting the forecast as usual for your Wednesday. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for your support for Semi Weather.